He cannot picture life without alcohol. Someday he will be unable to imagine life with alcohol or without it. Then he will know loneliness such as few do. He will be at the jumping off place. He will wish for the end, for the end, for the end, for the end. Woke up in the morning, made coffee from my splitting head. Check the clock, fuck, it's the afternoon instead. I'm hours late for work, boss said it couldn't happen again. Know that I lost my job, steady working on losing my friends. I've got my AA book and I know what I need to do. Too bad it's only 12 steps to that liquor store too. I'm such a fool, I'm always fucking up and getting drunk. Wake up in the car with empty bottles in the trunk, an empty can in the passenger seat, a full one in my lap. I look around me, where the fuck am I? I've got no map. I got drunk, blacked out, and drove till I ran out of gas. Woke up middle of nowhere on the side of this mountain pass. Cars are passing, I flash my thumb and I get it right back to town. First thing I do is hit Vineland, get a pint and toss it down. My life's a merry-go-round, and half the time I'm sick, smoking cigarettes, drowning myself, then getting ripped. And the world, it keeps spinning around and around, and I drown and I drown and I keep tossing them down, they go down and I drown in the world. It keeps spinning around and around, and I drown and the world keeps spinning around, and I'm just laying here drunk, passed out on the ground. I come to from a blackout doing 90 down the highway. 20 minutes to be home, I got till 12 because it's Friday. On this ankle monitor, pushing limits of my parole. Friends and family say I'm getting out of control. Barely made it home, no fucking minute to spare. Passed out with the car still on, mom found me there. She got mad, shouted, clouded me upside the head. I didn't get pissed or pout, just went and passed out in the bed. I'm like the living dead in the AM, till I get a drink in my throat. I don't puff cigs unless I'm drinking, so a pack a day I smoke. A seasoned veteran, I'll drink you under the fucking bar. Probably have 10 kids, but been too drunk to get my dick hard. I'm the Scotland Yard, awakened in the morning, investigating what I did the night before. I don't remember, but I'm patient, dialing the numbers of the friends that I still have, and they're surprised that I'm alive and not in jail, cause it was bad. I'm not sad, I'm happy that I got this string of luck that won't run out. I'm steady living by this rule of thumb. My alcoholic Call of Duty, no, I'm never drinking fruity drinks. I'm steady shooting Sailor Jerry's rum. Yeah, I had a wife and kids, but they left me and now I'm broke. So I sit at home alone and I perform the chicken choke. No, I'm kidding, I'm fine, I'm kinda doing alright. Sitting wasting my life on Skull Rum and Bud Light. Cause the world, it keeps spinning around and around, and I drown and I keep tossing them down, they go down and I drown in the world. It keeps spinning around and around, and I drown and the world keeps spinning around, and I'm just laying here drunk, passed out on the ground.